Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're gonna solve a problem. We have some ladybugs and we have some butterflies, and we're gonna practice a new skill called regrouping. I'm gonna go ahead and write that word right now. So I went ahead and I wrote the word regroup. You can see it right here, regroup. So you know that the word part re means again, and group means to put things in a group. It means we're going to group things again. Now we have this problem here. We have a whole bunch of ladybugs, and we have a whole bunch of butterflies, and we want to know how many bugs there are in all. But I think it would be take a really long time to count them by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think that if you counted them by ones, it would be really easy to make a mistake and get the wrong answer. So right now, as you see, our bugs are just organized by ones. So what I want to do is regroup them in a way to make them easier to count. Right now they're grouped in ones. Let me go ahead and write that. So you can see right here, they are organized into groups of 1. And I want to make it easier to count. And I think it's a lot easier to count to tens. So I'm going to regroup my bugs into groups of 10. Let me go ahead and write. Okay, so I wrote that down. Right here you have groups of 1, and over here you have groups of 10. Right now, all of our bugs are in groups of 1, so I want to regroup all of them into groups of 10 over here. In order to do that, I'm going to go ahead and get some frames. I'm going to have to turn off my pen tool to do that, so that'll go away. I'm going to get some 10 frames, and I'm just going to put those all over here. And I'm going to use this duplicate tool to make some more. So I just need a bunch of 10s. So these are all 10s, and I'm going to go ahead and move these bugs into the 10 frame. We're going to do what is called, remember, regrouping the groups of 1 into groups of 10. So I'm going to organize these. And if I need more, I can grab another one actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some, and I'm going to put them in the 10 frame and see if they all fit. Oh, see, it just kind of goes like that. So I'm going to have to do it a little bit at a time. So I might grab it by groups of 5 because I know that the 10 frame, or I might be able to go 1, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we'll put that there. And then we have again 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'll grab that group of 10. I'm just regrouping them from 1s to 10s, and we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, we'll put those there, and then we have 5 here. And I'll take these ones one by one. I'm going to go ahead and keep my ladybugs separate from my butterflies for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and grab groups of 10 butterflies. I'm regrouping to put into the 10 frame, just like I did with my ladybugs. Put them on top, and then I'll take these in. So you can see that we have regrouped our 1s. I'm going to put that back on. We've regrouped the groups of 1 into groups of 10. It's my groups of 10 are over here. So now I can I'm going to make another group of 10. If you notice, there's a spot right here. I'm going to take this butterfly and move it up here, so that way there's only one 10 frame that's not full. So this makes it a lot easier for me to count. I'm going to turn on my red marker. Actually, I'm going to use yellow so you can see that on top. So I know that up here we have a group of 10. So I'm going to write Let's see, we have 10. Oh, I'm going to turn on my marker. So we have 10 here. Oh, it doesn't want to draw. 10. And then I can keep counting by tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then this is not 10, so I'm going to go 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 77. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, regrouping just means group again. You can go from groups of 1 and change them into groups of 10, and that helps us count. It's a lot easier to count by 10s and 1s than just by 1s to count 77. So now you've learned that word regroup, and regroup means to group again. You can start with groups of 1 and change them from groups to 10. You could even start with groups of 10 and change them to groups of 1, and you will do that on a different lesson.